Sis, my skin is over it. So let's do my 3-minute no makeup pick me up. I have been traveling back and forth from the south to the north, and every time I come home, for some reason, I don't know, my skin just doesn't adjust, and this 3-minute makeup pick me up just brings me back together. So look what we're starting with. No, it's not good. Let's do this together. I'm sure you're gonna love this at home. It's easy. Let's get right to it. And this is the end of the video. I wasn't playing when I said 3 minutes, girl. It's an effortless look. The lips, the lashes, it's simple. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next one.